Okay, so here's the box. Here is Master Diobolos Generate. Here's the LR launcher that comes with it. Here's in left spin mode, and here's in right spin mode. If you can see there, that's Delta, and that's the gimmick that you can flip the GT base over, and it changes spin. Here's Diobolos. Here's Master. Here's Generate. Here's Master Diobolos in left bursting Dead Hades, and Master Diobolos in right bursting Dead Hades. And here's the thing at the side that explains what it comes with, and here's the thing at the other side that explains its GT, and it's B155 starter. And here's the rankings for how it's left and right. Here's how the generate driver works. We'll be going over that more. And yeah, that, and here's drum, here's vaults. It's pretty much all for the box. Now, I'll be opening it. Sort of hard to take out though. I think I'm missing a card, but yeah, here. So now, I'll be taking it out of the box, and oh. Okay, Master Diobolos is really hard to take out of the box, so if you're wondering, but I just did it. And I'll be opening it, stickering it, and showing you everything. Okay, so here's this little combo paper. The combos are Master Dragon, 1-Dagger, Evolution. Oh, by the way, that one was in right spin, in case you couldn't tell. Master Spriggan Paradox, Ultimate Reboot Dash, in left. Naked Diobolos Generate, I think it's called that slash Valkyrie was, but I always forget the name too. Yeah, Retsu. I think it's called Retsu. I'm not sure. So those are the combos, and I have absolutely no idea what this BeyBlade looks like. What is it? Tell me in the comments below. What is it? What is it? Oh, okay. So anyways, there's also the Naked Spriggan Random Volume Booster. And here's the Naked Spriggan, here's the Dragon Victory, here's the things, the new parts for it. And here's the instruction pamphlet, not much. So, I'll be going over the launchers in the Bay in the next scene. Okay, so here's Master Diobolos Generate. Okay, here's the Diobolos chip. It doesn't have metal like the last one, but the teeth are pretty good. Two teeth on one side and 3 teeth on the other. Here's the little weight thingy that Master Diobolos has. In case you were wondering, it doesn't have a name. And here is the generate driver. Here's how it looks. So basically, the gimmick with generate is that it's sort of like the opposite of a reboot. It's like, you know that El Drago? It has like a final survive gimmick. So it starts attacking when these tabs comes out, but then switches into stamina mode after. So here's the Master Layer Base. Here's how it looks in right, and here's how it looks in left. You can use it in either. All you need to do is flip the base over. That must have been really hard for me to create it. Here's the stickers here, and here is the launcher. Here's the LR launcher, and also, by the way, when I bought it, I got this with it. I'm probably going to use it with the LR launcher, just because it's black and the launcher's black, and that'll be like a good color scheme for blading. So here's some of the stickers, and here's more of the stickers, and here's a few more stickers. There's a lot of stickers, but there's not a lot of stickers. Yeah, Master Diobolos only has these stickers, so you don't need to sticker it that much, but mostly all of the stickers are for the launcher. So basically, Master Diobolos is a really good bay. It can go right spin and left spin, which is pretty cool. It's a really good bay. It's very good. In another video, I will be doing battles with it. Okay, so I'm going to give a shout out to a few people, including Luca Bosch, one of the people at my school, and Blake Chaplin, my manager, and my dad. Say hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad.
Exactly, dad jokes. So anyways, in advance, Master Diobolos is a really, 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 really good bay, and that'll be the end of my video. Subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, leave a like, leave a comment, and also leave a comment for what this bay is, because I have no idea. It sort of looks like a unicorn. I don't know. So basically, Master Diobolos is good, and, well, goodbye, fans. I will see you in my next video. Oh wait, I'm not done yet, actually. I'll also be doing some giveaways. It's going to be a Guitar Katomi LR launcher, and Air Knight K4, Dread Phoenix H4, and Turbo Achilles A4. You have a chance to win. So basically, one person will win a BeyBlade and the LR launcher, and the other two people will win just the BeyBlade. So, goodbye for now. I'll see you later in my next video.